I'm scared, dude.
Alright. Ah! I step well. It's a brand new day. Let's go.
God damn it, dude. What is up, world? It is a brand new day. We're here in downtown LA in traffic, headed back to Long Beach. I wanted to vlog earlier this afternoon. I came up to LA, but then I tried to meet up with Grant, but Grant thought he didn't have to work, but he ended up working, and then Alfredo didn't have to work until 3 or so. Didn't have to work until like 3 or something, but obviously it's already 3 o'clock right now and I'm stuck in traffic. So it's like LA, you gotta pick out, either you're gonna stay in one place all day or you have to manage your time. And this time I kind of got screwed out of managing my time because now I'm stuck in traffic. But it is what it is. Gonna head to Long Beach, probably Houghton Skate Park, maybe Smoke Signal Spot to meet up. I don't even know what the hell's going on. I just know that I need to ride my bike. So let's get the day started. We got a long adventure in traffic, so Long Beach, let's go. Finally, after literally an hour and a half, 2 hours in traffic, we're in Long Beach. The sun is going down, so maybe we'll have to hit a little skate park, something, I don't know. But I'm about to go meet up with Smoke Signals and Boss Hog. They're eating at some vegetarian restaurant right now called, I forgot the name, but yeah, we're on the way. Go meet them. Vicious. Oh, he's out.
Come here. Run in there with your baby. I know.
She's in the bag, ready to go. She got her little toy, got the water. Yo, yo, yo. Hell yeah, Gorman.
Did you just get it with the 180?
Nah, he just got it with no one, but that's sick. We out, the spot is getting covered with all cars, so we can't ride anymore, but this is dope. Good job. Yes. Thank you, boss, for filming. Hey. Me and Smoke Signals got some little jib clips. I don't even know what to call the clip I got. It's just something I thought of, like foot jam into the fence, and I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you ever seen that before or interested in trying it, because it feels really cool. So I suggest you guys trying it. Look at another spot. Rail up the alley. Wiener, maybe we'll try to get another clip on this rail, but I don't really got much. We're about to get this double wall ride right now. Hey, all right, let's get this. First try.
Is that it?
Yeah, hell yeah, that's sick. Thing's about to break. Brand new building. Alright, so we've been riding the spot and we hear like these crazy ass sounds. We thought it was like a team or something, but I believe it's the Army, Marines, I don't know, but it sounds sick as hell.
I'm
fucking suck. It's not a place for black people. I'm sorry. The military is not a place for black people.
Why you
Any
think
type
that?
of color, dude. Fuck that. We're the fucking dummies. They put all of us, brown people, you, natives, all of us up front. We die first while the white man get rich and sit in the back and laugh.
Damn.
The military really brainwashes people. It's just fuck. Our
Leave in the
government
comments
is
right now
fucked.
if you believe that.
Our government is so there's no one up there.
Yeah, conspiracies. I don't know. Let me know in the comments right now if you believe what Boss Hog is saying, conspiracies, all that stuff. I believe some of it's true, some of it not, some of it is, but government's crazy. Thank you, Marines, though, that are fighting for us. Thank you so much, everybody in the U.S. government, or the U.S., fighting for the U.S. Thank you. Your service is appreciated. Just Scooby?
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
Where to now? What spot?
Well, ride the bus.
Do it.
On that raging scooter, Papa Willie, bro.
He's, I don't know you. Does it look like I know you, mother? Getting it done. Good job, Warm. Teamwork. Oh, you make these? Where do you get these? You have those sweaters? What is that, sweater, long sleeve?
Out.
Out?
Fully out.
That one goes hard. That's my favorite one. I've never seen that one.
Acid drip right here.
Yeah, I like that one.
The acid drip. But it'll be out next month. I'm gonna release some more. So
That should go hard.
the,
They said true.
Sick. The one Tom did.
Hi. How you doing?
You weren't texting me today, were you? Allie, good guy.
Me again. Like your head on D-pegs.
Thanks.
What's up, fam? Going down. Oh. Hell yeah, Jib. What's up, G? How you doing? Like that shoe ride? Being in Barcelona, that thing? Dude, you got it.
I just can't get it how.
There you go. Punk rock.
That was full swag right there. that was that big.
Oh, that was amazing.
That was so good.
That was so good.
Look at the oh, it's gonna pop. Oh god, it's gonna pop.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Take the air out of it. I'm scared, dude.
Oh my god! Holy shit, I got shot! Oh, oh my god, that was scary as shit.
That was amazing.
Oh my god, I think my phone like ruined.
I ran in front of the hood. It was like,
Oh my god, that blew my eardrums out. Holy shit. Oh my god, you get that?
yeah.
Dude. Holy shit.
Motherfucker, that was the one.
I saw it. I was like, oh shit.
Biblical literature. Biblical literature.
literature.
Biblical literature. All right, I'm learning new words today. Biblical literature. Am I still saying it wrong?
Say it 5 times faster, remember?
Biblical literature. Biblical. I can't say it.
I'm not out here promoting biblical literature, but it's a thing. It's actually a thing.
I don't even know what it means. That's the most messed up part about it.
You gotta catch up to homie.
Yeah, I gotta catch up to home. He had a whole Bible and everything. Biblical literature. Nope. Biblical literature. Oh. Oh, hey. Hi, Colin. Hi. Hi. Funny how the gap with it. Dude, I had a ride in Chicago like that for literally like probably like 10 miles actually. Dude, it felt pretty cool though. I just like feel like it's gonna ruin your tire.
Yeah.
But it's better than,
It's a workout. Too.
yeah, it's a workout.
Build in your life.
You can drift.
It's a new workout.
Roscoe's. Jib got a flat tire. Tony, Began, Chief, they're all gonna go do something for the goalie factory. It sounds super sick. Tony Maloof told me a little idea of it. It's gonna be so sick. So make sure to find out. I don't know when the goalie factory stuff is gonna be dropping, but me and him are supposed to be doing a jam together. So that's something in the works. All that stuff. I don't even know. There's just so much going on. But right now, gonna go home, cook some dinner. Hey, he's back. What happened? You took the wrong turn?
No, I gotta turn right here.
Oh, you gotta turn right here? I'm turning into traffic.
See you boys later.
Later, boss! See, that's Long Beach right there. Everybody just lives by each other, all the riders. But it's dope. But yeah, speak a little bit more about it, I guess, in a little bit if I remember. But, we out.